Have you ever made tempura tuna? It's so easy. Join us. Hey guys, welcome to day 93. I can't believe it. Of Quarantine Cuisine. We're doing tuna tempura. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite things to do. Okay, so I have 2 tuna steaks and I cut a couple of them already into these kind of logs. So, and I have one more. I'll just show you. Simply just cut it into a little log. Okay, and this one, I'm gonna take that little piece off. Okay, simple, right? Okay, so now we're gonna make tempura batter. Now I have a box tempura mix that I'm using just to make life super easy. I'm using this brand that's really nice, J brand. And all you do is you have 1 1/3 cups of water, very cold water. I have a couple ice cubes in there just to keep it super cold. Pour it into a bowl. Okay, take that ice cube out. And then I'm pouring the whole mix in there. Okay, now like pancake mix, you don't want to overwork this batter, okay? Here, let me move it closer to the parks. So I'm going to use chopsticks to just move it around. You want it very lumpy, okay? You can use a whisk, but you actually have a little bit more control with the chopsticks, okay? So, you want to combine it, but you don't want to overwork it. It should be very lumpy and gloppy looking, okay? And this would be great, you can make like beer battered, tempura battered shrimp, or tempura battered vegetables would be phenomenal. Okay. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Okay. See how lumpy that is? Okay. Now we have our batter, and I have just traditional nori paper. Okay. Whoops. So, you can buy this at your local supermarket. No big deal, okay? So we're gonna take our nori and we're gonna line up. I'm just gonna attach these in here like that, okay? Another one. Fit these in 2. Okay. Okay, and you know what? We'll save that tuna for something else. Okay, so I'm just gonna wrap this up. Like that, and we're going to use a little bit of water to just seal it up. Okay, do the same with this guy. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so these look amazing. Let's bring this over to our oil. Okay, and we're gonna test our oil with a wooden spoon to see if it's ready. And it is. You can see all those beautiful bubbles. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just coat this. And this is going to cook really fast, you guys, because it's tuna, right? So let me just get both of them in at the same time. Okay, get it totally coated. Do a little tempura scallion while we're at it. Okay.
Oh, tempura scallions. Well, that's a surprise.
The scallion?
Yeah. Didn't see that coming.
You didn't see that coming, did you, Pops? Okay. Just cleaning up my little area over here. Now let's see how they're doing. I'm gonna move them around a little bit. Make sure they're not sticking. I think we're probably almost good to go.
Wow.
Just another minute or two. Look at that. So gorgeous. Oh, I was like, where's my other scallion? There it is. Okay, so we'll turn this oil off. Let's go back over. Okay, so I'm just letting them sit on paper towels for a minute. And in the meantime, we're gonna make just a really easy sauce. This is like my version of a Ponzu sauce. I'm using the juice of 1 Clementine orange and a tablespoon of soy and a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Okay. And put a couple sesame seeds in there. Okay, nice. We got our look at that.
Wow.
Is that not gorge? So what I like to do is kind of cut it like a sushi roll. So we'll put like one like that, and one like that, and one like that. How psyched are you for dinner, Parks?
Wow.
You didn't know what was going to happen
I
here,
didn't
did you?
know. I didn't know what was going on. I try to peek around the kitchen and see what else is around it. Give me a hint where you're going with all this.
So good. God, I miss having sushi so much.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, how quick and easy is this, you guys? You can do this. You could do it with salmon. Would be great.
Oh, salmon would be good.
That's it, you guys. That's the dish. You want to taste it, Parks?
Yeah.
Let me put a little bit, couple
Just
scallions
a
on
little
there.
piece. God, that looks really beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, hold on. Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to taste it too. Mmm. So good.
Yum.
So good. Oh my God. That's the dish, guys. You can do it. Cook with us, okay? We're not even going to do behind the recipe because we just want to eat. It's late. Okay.
Good
Love
job.
you guys.
Good job, Chef Lisa.
Thanks for coming in. Thanks for coming in, DP.